Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and you're watching 4 Fashion on My Own. Now I think one of the common problems we all girls face these days is the emergence of grey hair, and that too, it's very common in women below 32. But don't worry, don't fret because you'll add to those grey stands. Watch this video to know some home remedies that will turn your grey hair to black naturally. Amla or Indian gooseberry is one of the best treatments to cure premature grey hair. All you need to do is boil some pieces of amla in coconut oil and massage it in your hair. This will cure your grey hair naturally. Amla can be used also as an oil or paste. Decoction of amla can cure grey hair in just 15 days. To prepare this decoction, all you need to do is soak a few pieces of amla overnight and add 1 spoon of eucalyptus oil to it. Store this mixture in an iron container and in the morning, apply it with an egg, lemon juice and curd. Alternatively, you can also drink the amla juice because this will not only cure your grey hair but also other health-related issues. The juice of onion will not only prevent your hair from graying but also prevent hair loss and baldness. All you need to do is peel off the onion skin and grind the onions. Now apply this paste on your hair and leave it on for some time. Your hair will turn black in a few days. If you want the desired result, you have to use this remedy every day. If you use it once a week, you won't see that kind of progress. Also, wash off your hair with a shampoo to get rid of the unpleasant smell. Black pepper can also cover up grey hair. Grind black pepper and add lemon and curd to it to make a paste. Apply this on your scalp and leave it on for some time. This will not only cure your grey hair but can also help you prevent issues like acne and dandruff. Use this treatment for a month to see the noticeable results. Almond oil is extremely beneficial for hair as it repairs the hair cuticles against damages like dryness and dullness. Hair graying, which happens due to sun damage, pollution and dryness, can be reversed and rectified with almond oil massage. Black tea imparts natural color to grey hair. You need not drink it, but with the constant application of black tea, your grey hair will turn black. Also, it adds sheen to your hair and makes them look fuller and lighter. Boil a potato and then use this potato water to make an amazing hair darkening mask. Potato water alone and mixed with curd can be an amazing color restoring hair mask for black hair. Curry leaves will not only turn your grey hair black but also prevent future premature graying. The effect of curry leaves can be increased with the help of coconut oil. Dry some curry leaves in the sun for some time till the time there is no water content left. After that, grind them to make a fine powder. Add 4 teaspoons of this fine powder to 200 ml of coconut oil and then boil it, filter it out and use it. Ribbed gall is one of the best natural ways to treat grey hair. All you need to do is dry some ribbed gall in the sun for at least 3 days. Then add some coconut oil to it and boil it before applying. Wash it off after applying on your scalp after half an hour. So ladies, now you know how to turn grey hair black naturally. If you want natural remedies for any other problems, do let me know in the comments below. And for more such videos, subscribe to 4 Fashion on My Own. Bye.